Hello and welcome. Let's solve the question above. The question says x to the power of x minus x to the power of 1 minus x equals to 2 to the power of 8. We want to find the value of x. Alright, so for us to solve this, the first thing we are going to be doing is to break down what we have here. You know, if we have a to the power of m minus n, it is the same thing as what? A to the power of what? M multiplied by a to the power of what? Minus n, right? All right, so let's apply that here. So we are going to have s to the power of negative s to the power of 1 multiplied by s to the power of minus s, which will be equals to what? 2 to the power of what? 2 multiplied by 4, right? All right. Now, you know from the law of indices, if we have a to the power of m multiplied by n, we can either bring in m as the power and take out what? N, or we can bring out n and take out n. Is that clear? Now, we are going to bring in negative s. Then, you know, s to the power of 1 is what? S. So, we are going to have this as s to the power of negative s, then all to the power of what? S to the power of negative s, which will be equals to what? 2 to the power of 2, all to the power of what? 4. And we know that 2 to the power of 2 is nothing but what? 4. So we are going to have this as s to the power of negative s, all to the power of s to the power of negative s, to be equals to 4 to the power of 4, right? Now, you are going to recall carefully again that if we have a to the power of a equals to b to the power of b, therefore we can say a is equals to what? B. Is that clear? The same number here, the same number here, the same alphabet here, the same alphabet. So that means that we can equate the base or the power. So you can see this is s to the power of negative s. We also have s to the power of negative f here. We have 4 here, we also have 4 as a power, so we can equate the base. So it means we are going to have s to the power of negative s, which is equals to what? 4. All right. Now, again, you are going to note that this our 4, we can write it to be what? 2 to the power of 2. So this can be equals to 2 to the power of 2, right? All right. Now, and again, we know that we can express this as s to the power of negative s, which is equals to, now, if we write this in form of negative 2 into 2 to the power of 2, we are also correct because negative 2 to the power of 2 is going to give us what? 4. Is that clear? All right. Now, we can therefore say that this is the same thing as s to the power of negative s to be equals to negative 2 to the power of negative into negative 2. I hope you understand this. Now, look at this. Here we have s to the power of negative s here. Here we have negative 2 to the power of negative into what? Negative 2. They have the same number, that is negative 2, negative 2, right? And here we have s here, we have s here. Is that clear? And this formula is telling us that we have a to the power of a equals to b to the power of b. We can equate the base. So as you can see, we have s here, we have negative s here. We have negative 2 here, we have negative 2 here. Is that clear? The same number, negative sign, the same alphabet, the same answer, negative sign. It means we can equate the base. It means that s is equals to what? Negative 2. I hope you understand this. So you can decide to put negative 2 for value of s, and you are going to get your left hand side to be equal to your what? Right hand side. Thanks.